Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake at home without an oven. We will explore simple methods using common kitchen items. You can achieve a perfectly baked cake using a heavy-bottomed pot, a pressure cooker, or even a large pan with a tight-fitting lid. The key is creating an enclosed, heated environment. We'll start by preparing your chosen vessel for baking. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients for a delightful cake. You'll need about 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. For the wet components, prepare 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of cooking oil, and 1 egg. Remember to sift your dry ingredients for a lighter texture and mix wet ingredients thoroughly before gently combining them. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. First, grease and flour your cake pan well to ensure easy release. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared pan. Carefully place the cake pan onto the stand inside your preheated pot or pressure cooker. Bake on a low to medium-low flame for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. Test for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should emerge clean. Once baked, let your cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before handling. Then carefully invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. This usually takes at least 1 hour. Once fully cooled, you can decorate your delicious creation with frosting, a dusting of powdered sugar, or fresh fruit. Enjoy your homemade oven-free cake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.